Do you ever follow the law of attraction? Yeah, do you think that how can law of attraction work in our life? So in this video, I would like to share with you some very important techniques and very important habit. If you follow those habits regularly, consistently, those habit is gonna create more positive result in your life. Friends, you know what? People think that law of attraction does not work. Maybe they will be thinking so for them law of attraction is not working. They think, but let me tell you, law of attraction work in both phase, both scenario. It is working in negative, it is also working in a positive. It is your choice. It is in your hand that how do you apply law of attraction in your life. Do you apply law of attraction in your life with awareness, or do you apply a law of attraction in your life without any aware? You know what, suppose if positive things are not happening in your life, so something is happening. What is that thing which is happening in your life unnecessarily and effortlessly? That is called negative. So you don't think that I didn't attract it. You have attracted those results. You have attracted those people. You have attracted those ideas in your life. Law of attraction works. Let me tell you, law of attraction works. Whether you believe it or not, it doesn't matter. Law of attraction works whether you follow it or not. It doesn't matter, because you might have heard a lot of celebrities like a Sandeep Maheshwari, like a Sadhguru, and there are so many Indian celebrity. I'm not talking about out of Indian celebrity. I'm talking about Indian YouTuber. They think that how can law of attraction give you all the things? Yeah, you are absolutely right, but let me tell you, if you really don't know how does law of attraction work, so you can speak anything. Choice is yours, because you have a freedom to speak. But if you are speaking something, if you are speaking something about the principle of universe, so first of all you go through that material, you go through that concept. If you study that concept, then you will come to know that does it work, I mean, will it work or not? Is it working or not? Because most people, I'm talking about most people, heard about it, but very few people practice it regularly and attract result in their life regularly. Because I'm going to share with you something which I really which I really change many people life. How do you adopt law of attraction habit? Why? Because routines are something. For example, suppose, do you brush every day in the morning? Of course you brush. Do you brush every day morning, alternate day, or you brush regularly? I have a question. Yeah, you brush regularly. Why do you not brush today? Why don't you brush alternate day? You do brush today, you don't do tomorrow, after that you do after tomorrow. Is that technically possible, or is that technically happy feeling? Is that technically possible that you can feel happy? No, because you don't feel comfortable among your friend, you don't feel comfortable among your colleague and classmate, because somewhere you are feeling that maybe my mouth is smelling because I didn't do the brush today. In the same way, if you don't practice law of attraction regularly as a habit, as a lifestyle, so law of attraction will not work. It doesn't mean that how powerful you are, it doesn't mean that how poor you are, it doesn't mean that I mean, law of attraction does not have any concern, or does not have any connection between your state and between your lifestyle, right? So if you want to follow the law of attraction, so I would like to give you something which really help you to follow law of attraction, and you are gonna create more result in your life, right? And one thing you remember, that some people know about the law of attraction but they don't practice, and some people know little and they practice. The person who know little and he practice, he can attract more result than the person who know a lot of thing about law of attraction, he doesn't practice. Some people say, no, no, sir, I believe in law of attraction, but I don't do practice. But let me tell you, if you believe in law of attraction 100%, if you are convinced 100% with the law of attraction, you always do the practice. If you convince that law of attraction works, so why don't you practice? You can practice. So this is the thing which I would like to share. First, every morning when you get up, say 10 random gratitude and 10 random gratitude and 10 desire gratitude. Repeat, 10 random gratitude and 10 desire gratitude. What is the random gratitude? Random gratitude means that you close your eyes, sit calmly, sit comfortably, and whatever comes in your mind, whatever name, whatever things comes in your mind, say thank you to the God. Maybe good things, sometimes bad things also comes in your mind. Say thank you to the God. Thank you, God, I have this thought. Thank you, God, I have a beautiful day today. Thank you, God, I have a new life today. Whatever you think that this is a random thoughts in my mind, you say thank you to them. And next, desire, 10 desire gratitude. Whatever you want in your life today, maybe do you want happiness? Say thank you, God, I have already thank you, God, I'm already happy, and I am going to live my life completely happiness. So 10 desire gratitude you have to do. And what is the second thing? The second thing which I would like to share with you, that is called affirmation. Why do I say affirmation? Affirmation is a one positive statement with which you can connect with your goal, which with you can vibrate at a right frequency, and if you're vibrating at right frequency, you can attract right thing. And what is the third thing? Third thing is water magic. Water has a, water has a magical power. If you use it as a law of attraction, so you it can alter your complete life. It can create your desire. How do you use it? Buy one small bottle, maybe not a bigger one. You can buy one small bottle, and you stick one paper upon the bottle, and you write whatever you want. You write two thing, four thing, five thing, 10 thing, doesn't matter. You write whatever you want. And when you keep that bottle in the before sleeping, you fill that water, fill that bottle with the water, and the energy and the frequency, listen to me, the energy of that word which you have already written on the paper, the energy of those words goes into the water. And water have the quality of observation. It can observe all the energy and all the frequency. When you wake up early in the morning, when you drink that bottle, your entire goal, energy goes into your mind, goes your body, sorry, goes your body. And then it start vibrating at a right frequency. And you see that in the morning you will start, somebody will start talking about your dream, somebody will start talking about that idea which you are thinking about long time. So these are things. And what is the fourth thing? Fourth thing is that when somebody will stop you, when somebody will hurt you, don't abuse him, don't fight with him, don't create any kinds of dispute, and don't create any kinds of argument. You just say that God bless you, God take care of you, God bless you, God take care of you. Why do you say that? Because if you say like this, so somewhere you are vibrating at a positive frequency, so you will attract positive thing, but that person is going to attract negative thing. Remind it. And the fifth thing, what is the fifth thing? There is one Hawaii technique which is called Hooponopono. You might have heard about it, because it's a trend actually. And Hooponopono is not a, it's not a, our culture name. It is the Hawaii name, because this is a Adivasi, ancient people prayer, and it contains very powerful energy. If you repeat all these four sentences every morning and every evening, after getting up you say 108 time, before sleeping you say 108 time. What are those statement? I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I will explain it. I'm sorry means you are saying sorry for whatever I have done. Forgive means please forgive me, because I will not make it this mistake again. And thank you, whatever it happens, I'm so thankful because my life is now alive and I'm so happy. And I love you. I love you means that every situation I'm happy and I love you. So if you speak all these four statements, this four statement can change everything. I repeat, can change everything. Zero to hero. It can make you very peaceful, and it can heal you completely. So these are 5-6 rules which you have to follow regularly, and if you follow them regularly, you can create more result. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you so much, guys.